This is what I built in 1 minute. This one is 2 minutes. You can sell this for $1,000 to $3,000 per project. It's called the Claude Design, dropped yesterday. Every AI creators on YouTube posted about it in the last 24 hours. They all said the same thing. It's insane. It's unstoppable. Mind-blowing. I watched 6 of them. None of them answered the only question I actually care about. How do I turn this into money this week? That's the gap. That's what this channel feels. Every AI release, I show you the invoice version. So here's what Claude Design actually is. Anthropic's answer to Google Stitch and Lovable. You can now create web apps, websites, pitch decks, mockups, even PowerPoint presentations, all through a visual interface instead of pure code. Front-end design has always been Claude Code's biggest weakness. Everyone who tried to build a real locking website with code has hit the same wall. Code works. Design looks like a 2015 admin dashboard. Now they fix it. I'm going to walk you through the whole thing, 5-minute tour, how it works, what it can do, where it's different from Stitch. Then I will show you how realtors are about to pay $1,500 a pop for what we're building today. Zero code, zero portfolio needed. Exact deliverable. Stay until the end for the offer. I'm Chris, founder of Agent Founders. This channel is for AI tutorial addicts who can't close a client. You watch 20 videos a week, pay $500 a month to 3 different school communities, send 0 invoices. The squad breaks that loop. I want to gather the like-minded ones inside here, businessmen, not watchers. We are building $1 trillion company together. Claude Design runs on Opus 4.7. You need a Pro, Max, or Enterprise plan. It does prototypes, design, slide decks, and full web app designs. Export options are generous. PDF, PowerPoint, send it to Canva. The coolest piece is the brand design. You can upload your existing code base or GitHub link, and Claude Design scans it to pull your colors, your fonts, your spacing. Everything it builds, you can also just drag a folder with logos and fonts if you don't have a code base. Go to Claude Design. Left side, 4 options. Prototype, slide deck, from template, others. And bottom of the panel, setup design system. That button is the one I want you to pay attention to. Design system setup, company name, then brand upload. You can link GitHub, drag a folder from your desktop, or drop fonts, logos, and assets one at a time. If you upload a real code base, it does not push the whole thing up. It scans and picks the files that matter. Now make a new prototype, high fidelity, and Agent Founders. Here's the move nobody else is showing you. motionsites.ai. Just to copy template. I pick Liquid Glass Agency. Back to our own, just copy and paste here. Make a landing page according to my pasted text with video hero file and type it. Boom, they made it. And here is another result. Luxury real estate landing page. Grabbed it one exterior shot and dropped it text field. So this is a first shot, and then made image interior shot like this. And go to video, a first scene and second scene, and made a prompt through Claude Code. Change hero video, this real estate video, and change whole copywriting. 5 minutes only. And I can change its color, size, height, and export options, zip file, PDF, PowerPoint, send directly to Canva. And the one that matters most for builders, hand off to Claude. Click that, it gives you a single command you paste into your terminal. Just copy this and then paste in your Claude code. That's it. That's the bridge between design and shipping. And that's the tour. It took me 5 minutes. Chase took 8 and Peter took 16. Now let's go to parts nobody else is showing. Realtors, that's your client. And here's why. A single home sale commission in North America is $15,000 to $50,000. That's per transaction. Realtors compete on the one thing more than anything else, marketing. The listing that looks better sells faster, creates bidding war, and inflates the final price. And this is what 9% of listings look like. MLS templates, better photos, no interactive, no neighborhood context, no story. And this is what top 5% of listings looks like right now. Interactive property, full screen video hero, 3D filling photo gallery. Sites like Artitudes in Hong Kong literally have an interactive for every hour of a day at the property. All on a custom URL the realtor sends to buyers. 3 tiers, pick whichever one fits the client. Tier 1, basic listing page, $500. Their photos, their copy, their template, 24-hour turnaround, one page, one listing. Tier 2, premium listing page, $1,500, custom neighborhood visualization, mortgage calculator, interactive gallery, email capture form for lead collection, and 48-hour turnaround. And Tier 3, monthly retainer, $3,000 per month, 4 listings per month. This is the recurring revenue play. Once you deliver 2 solid premium pages, upsell the realtor on a retainer and lock in $36,000 a year from one client. Your cost to deliver all of this, Claude Max subscription, $100 a month. That's the whole stack. And finding your filter, realtors are public. Their emails are on every sign. And most of the time I use Ify. I deal with this at previous video. You can scrap like Apollo or Reddit. Just pull the top 50 agents in your city by volume. So just pick one, find one of their current active listings, build a demo page for it using Claude Design, and 50 minutes for your time. And send them one email, one line. You will just send, I rebuilt your Main Street listing as a premium interactive page. Here's the link. Takes 48 hours, $1,500 per listing or $3,000 per month for 4 listings. Reply, yes, I start tonight. Attach the demo link. Out of 50 filters, you will get 3 to 5 replies. 1 or 2 will become paying clients this week. That's $1,500 to $3,000 before Sunday. This is the speed advantage. Every other creator is making tutorial videos. You are making invoices. And this is the whole play behind this channel. Almost nobody shows you how to turn the tool into a paid offer. That's the gap I'm filling here. The people winning the AI wave aren't the ones who saw the feature first. They are the ones who turned the feature into an invoice first. If you want to run this play with other people doing the same thing, we have our roadmap, theagentfounders.com/Claude. Just leave your email and get this resource.